What's up? We're gonna make some brownies. We're using
What's
Snoop
good?
Dogg's recipe. You already know how it's gonna
yeah.
be. I'm not gonna use any of that special
Yeah.
spice because it's illegal where I live.
That's okay.
Anywho, first you're gonna get your dry ingredients, a little bit of flour, some
Mm.
baking soda, a little
Yeah.
sugar. Then you get your wet ingredients, eggs, butter, vanilla extract, milk. Don't you forget the chocolate morsels like I did.
Man,
I
ain't
did,
no way.
but I forgot to record them. Anyways,
Yeah.
in a small bowl, combine your baking powder and flour.
Mixing and
And
mixing.
set that aside. Next,
Oh yeah.
you want to get your wet ingredients, put them in a medium pot, heat it over medium heat.
Heat it up. He mixing. Using his fingers? That's nasty. Anyways. What are they doing in there? Oh, you added the sugar? Mixing again. Whipping it up in the kitchen.
Then when it starts to boil, take it off the heat.
Oh, he's chefing it up. He know what he doing.
Then add a little bit of the chocolate morsels. Mix that in until it's all combined.
That kind of look like Dookie. It's okay though. It's chocolate.
Then add your wet stuff, like
Ain't no
the
way
eggs,
he's their West
vanilla,
End.
and then you're gonna want to combine that until it's completely smooth. After that, you want to slowly and gradually add your flour mixture until that is completely combined and it is like a brownie mixture that you get out of a package. But this is much better because it's homemade.
That's what, yeah, that's right. That's right. We better than them.
Once you finish with that, you can put it into a pan. You want to have that pan greased up and ready to go.
Just how I like it.
Don't you forget to preheat your oven to 325.
Never, never, never. Don't forget that garnish of the rest of your morsels.
Once it's in the oven, you want to cook it for about 12 and a half minutes. Then
12 and a half
give it a
minutes.
good old turn in the oven.
Turn
Cook it
it.
for another 12 and a half minutes.
12 and a half.
Until the edges of the brownies are cooked. Puppy break, puppy break, puppy break, puppy break, puppy break. Once that is done, pull that entire pan out, put it on a wire rack,
Look
let
at
it
that.
cool. After it is cool, you can cut it with a metal or plastic knife. I use metal because I don't have plastic.
We're environmentally safe out here.
Once your brownies are cut, take it out of the pan, eat one with some of your favorite vanilla ice cream.
That look
You
yummy.
can use chocolate sauce for a dressing if you want, but you don't have to, because it's already very rich and very sweet.
That's what I'm saying.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Look out for the next cooking video.
Yeah, subscribe.
Bye.